come up on my phone, cause right now you get me in the hot water. Because the FBI agent them just call me and I blow my phone about you. Yes, and then say they want to recruit me as an FBI agent. But I don't know what FBI mean. But then tell me, say, it mean first bitch intuition. And my intuition about you is exactly right. Let me tell you something. I want to be no passa, no mix up here, sir. And we could have said there's no way in hell, right? We could ever be with you because you don't have no dicky, you don't have no cocky, right? Any man me there with, he have to be tied up strong and have to be 9 inch long or better. Is it now or walk? You understand what I say? So let me tell you something. I don't know where you gonna get yourself mixed up, you and your son, your waist son, right? And your waist cabinet. But me don't want a part of it, master. And let me tell you something, if you ever talk, say all the tax you know pay, say you put it in a bank account, it's going to be hell and powder house. You hear me? Me just a 1 year, I'm sure me just a 1 year. And then you'll get no more